News drops in 15 minutes. Don't forget.
What's our news today?
Chicago PMI.
PMI, yeah. Okay.
I could pump it if they show
To that green zone.
consensus.
That green zone looking real interesting right now.
Man,
It's a good bounce though.
at the top of this cloud. I mean, the top of the flag. $38.50 is looking like a good short. I just saw them flash orders up here. I literally lost focus for 1 second and completely missed that. Good job.
Oh, I thought I was gonna give me one more tick, man. One more tick.
Good
Oh.
job.
Yo, one more tick.
I was ready, but I wasn't ready. Sell zone was just about perfect. Rat bastards. Looks like we're gonna slice through this. There we go.
Disgusting.
What is going on this morning?
They're about to use this news to their advantage, and it's gonna be hilarious.
I don't believe this at all. I'm sorry.
Whoa.
What?
Okay. There's a SR flip is coming up on.
Ugh. We're at VWAP.
We're at your 38.57 level.
Yeah, I mean we can see that was key last night, right? 38.57.
Yeah.
And we called this dump last night. Now, if we could just get more of a dump, that'd be great.
No, hit that PD value low real quick.
Why so high?
Well, this is the last day market makers get their commission.
So far, rejecting VWAP. There's some orders sitting there. So you can tell by Bookmap they're waiting for this news. We got just a gang of orders on both sides. They're gonna pump it on this news, huh?
It's looking like it.
It's gonna make me very sad.
Perfect opportunity to sell all your shorts for the next week. What level are you waiting for to sell?
Sell what?
Your shorts.
Oh gosh, I don't really know.
You have time. You got it in such a good price.
Yeah.
I played a cheap SPY 380 put and went with Big Bull on a Netflix YOLO on the 300 call. So I knew one of them would pay.
Oh, you're
Nice.
doing a little strangle.
Well, sort of with a SPY and a Netflix. If Netflix was going to go, it was going to pay. If SPY was going to go, it was going to pay. So
Nice. Yeah, gonna chill.
Yeah, really though.
See what happens here.
regardless of whatever the date is, they're going to push you whatever way they want.
Oh,
They
for
could say, okay,
sure.
oh, PMA, oh, wow, look, costs are down. That should make things cheaper for inflation. Oh, but that's good for the business. So that's going to maybe make people not get fired. So now we need to drive it down. You know,
Yeah.
logic around is just insane.
Wow. Where are you going, ES?
Sure to be wet.
Irf had that short at 54 for past couple of days. Also a daily pivot up there.
Wow.
It's a dump before the pump. It's not
Are
even the news out yet.
we coming back here? To that
Another opportunity
shelf.
to go off to 38.
I made longer off that shelf. But the news is 5 minutes. Come on.
Y'all are wild, and I'm gonna chill for 5 minutes and wait and see.
I hear
what
people
happens.
placing orders too. Ding.
It's giving you the itch.
Come on, you can do it.
I'm a 1 MES for you, alright? There's market order 1 MES.
Just ES, no stop loss.
Yeah, yes, no stop loss. Let's see where it
And
goes.
do a 10-pack, win big.
Yeah, there you go.
Can you imagine if you hit on that? Oh my god.
Just
Payout.
become a millionaire today.
Yeah, it's not going to be like CPI move though. Well, who knows at this rate?
Yeah, right. Last day of the year or last trading day of the year. Who knows?
Ricky's like,
I would love it to be 100-point up day. That would be sweet.
I got 100 point on a 10-pack ES, and I'm a millionaire.
I'm here with you guys now.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Came right back to that volume shelf for half a millisecond. Dude, now there's no orders.
Oh my god, what happened to everything? They're about to
They're waiting
launch
for the
this.
news. They're waiting for the news.
Waiting for news. Yep.
Yeah, I told
There's
you it
only-
gets freaky. They pull back those orders and it goes black.
Yep.
Same thing when the Fed speaks.
Wild.
That's why it can run so far.
That's why if you got a 10-pack, your fill wouldn't. You might pick up one.
Yep. Hey, you keep entering orders over there? Mr. Gambit. Launch it, please.
That 38 to 48 move was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was clean.
We knew both these levels. I mean, I deleted it, but there's that little volume shelf here.
Mm-hmm.
At 38.
Like a double
and
bottom.
We got our VWAP here.
I got a feeling.
You had to be fast on getting a fill here, though.
I got a fill at 40.
Oh, long?
Yeah.
Oh, you're wild in too.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I got a stop loss at profit. So, if it launches, I'm just making money. If it doesn't,
Yeah,
I
but
don't
you
lose
know you're gonna
anything.
get that wild swing. You're just hoping the wild swing goes your way first before it goes the other way.
Yeah, it's okay. It's only like 1 MES, so not really worried.
Yeah, they should just run Netflix up to 310 today. That would be good.
Oh yeah.
They should just dump ES down to like 3,700.
So you guys have the opportunity. You could
Mhm.
buy the 300 call for like 3 cents, $10,000 worth, and then they can run it to 310.
You're crazy.
Jeez, imagine
You're
you go
in
negative on that.
Netflix.
And just think how awesome that would be.
You're in what?
No. I have it. I have a 300 call. I went YOLO with what's his name?
For 3 cents.
No. They're 3 cents right now. They're 3 to 4 right now.
1 minute.
I'm watching.
Sorry,
I
3
don't
seconds.
think
All right, news. My charts just had a stroke.
Yeah, I did too. It just kicked me out.
Oh, mine didn't have that big of a stroke, but they just froze like
What's happening? Sell volume's increasing.
Yeah, good catch. That's a nasty 5-minute wick though.
Yeah. Not convincing enough.
Wow, exciting news.
It's crazy.
I don't know what to say. Are we digesting the news? What's
Let me go
happening?
check what retail's doing. One sec.
I haven't
I'll have to see
seen it. I haven't seen it released yet.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, people probably know it already.
Was it 9:45 or 10?
9:45.
Yeah, 9:45.
Oh, there it goes. 44.9 versus 40 expected, so better than expected.
Oh, perfect. We're gonna pump.
Health is looking like it's gonna do it.
How come orders just came in at 45?
Oh, and disappeared just like that. Poof.
They're
It's a
flashing
lot of
orders.
orders on the downside. A lot of orders.
Good
Wow, that
news
was a
is
big
bad
sell order.
news.
Yep.
It's looking like they want to bring it to 36.
Oh,
Ton
we
of
break
orders
this
here.
shelf.
Nah,
Where
there's
else we
a ton
going?
of orders there.
Ton of orders where?
35.
Oh yeah.
36.
Yep.
This is them bringing it down to get orders filled and then rip, probably. Orders are getting sliced through. What in the world? Now there's a lot of orders
There's a
at
word.
38.30.
Yeah. Oh, they got the volume.
Yeah. Our selling volume's increasing. Ooh-wee.
Yep. Yep.
Let's retest the previous week value area low.
Please.
They probably won't, though. There's a lot of orders sitting up there, too.
So one thing I learned on a different site, and it's using ad. If you look at ad this morning, it opened at about negative 1700. So that equivalates to negative 1.7% on SPY. So when the market opened, you saw SPY was almost flat, but ad was negative 1.7%. That means it's going to pull SPY to negative 1.7% to be parity for the day. So just kind of keep that in mind. Yesterday was plus 2200, so that means that SPY or SPX is at parity would be plus 2% or 2.2%, and that's what we saw. So today, if ad stays below negative 1700 to 2000, you can expect the low is going to be near the end of the day.
Wild. I'm going to look into that because the ad being like negative 1700 just means that 1,700 companies are trading lower than their close yesterday.
It does, and it seldom reverses. You do see it sometimes. Sometimes the EE will change it, but not often. And all this is kind of based off of McClellan oscillator. I don't know if you guys have read much into that, but
Yeah, I haven't personally. Shahan, it depends where you get it from. So I'm using Bookmap from TOS, and theirs is for ES, it's free. Apple, ES, and Microsoft is free. If you want any other tickers, it's like $50 a month, I think. On bookmap.com, it's way more expensive.
Is it $50 per ticker?
No. 50 total.
Oh,
They just sliced through 30 again.
I don't know what to do here. There's a ton of orders sitting at 32, 34, and then we've got a ton of orders at 25, 27.
What is happening?
if I was patient, I would have been up 300%.
What am I missing?
What are they doing? Yeah, I know. I'm like, what am I missing?
PMI is high.
Like what? I don't know what I'm missing.
Oh, that's messed up, Jelly.
Holy.
I don't know how to trade this.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm just waiting right now.
I just shorted the top of the box. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, it's probably a great short. You got a lot of orders sitting above there.
Yeah, let's see what happens here.
I'm bummed. I woke up with a slight sore throat, stuffy nose.
Oh, I did too. I sound like ass.
I
Yeah,
had that last 2 days. Kind of have it still today.
probably gonna die, boys and girls.
I'll see you, Evan, bro. I'll be there with you.
Take care of my family.
This is price action. Now we have increasing volume to the upside. Oh wait, wrong time frame. Never mind. Disregards.
Rockets, did you answer YouTube?
Yeah, I did. Thank you. Morning, John. Shoot, Shorty banked on Apple, huh?
Maybe we just trapped all the bears under that shelf. Maybe, hopefully, still holding the shelf.
Yeah, there's just no news, and it's the last day to trade in the year. I think a lot of people are gonna wait until power hour today.
Not retail.
Also, the last day to
Yeah,
sell.
retail's got to close their positions.
Yeah, probably open up like 20 more.
Some people might dump for the tax write-off too.
That too.
I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna wait for the waters to settle here.
Yeah, I'm
Just
terrified to be
means there will
honest.
be sellers today. Anybody who wants a tax loss harvest,
Yep.
last chance to get them in.
All the December effect.
Look at Bookmap. Oh, it's funny.
The icicle.
There's just a
Everything.
bubble sitting there at 34 with orders above and below.
Now the buyers are stepping in big.
Yeah, they just flashed some orders at 38.41.
They're holding the shelf. Came back in it. Came back down. Bounced off the bottom of it.
ES is like, oh, we're gonna hold this 2-point range.
Nah, it'll dump. It'll break to the downside.
I know it's gonna do something eventually, but right now it's look at Bookmap.
38.40. Give me 38.39.
38.40 and 38.31.75.
Oh, Ricky,
Kinda
I didn't really
behind.
answer you. I really want to see like 3,300 on ES.
33.
Yeah.
Sir, we do not need the market to burn that much.
I'm not talking
Well, not yet.
today. I'm not saying today. And we do need the market to burn that much. I have 30K riding on it.
Good Lord.
Ride or die, Rockets.
Can we see 39.50 before that happens, please?
Why you want to do me like that, bro?
Because, bro, I want leap puts and I want to bank absolutely with the easiest way possible. 39.50, that's the level.
Yeah, that's a good spot to get in.
There's no way we dump when everyone's bearish, right?
No.
So I'm still expecting 39.50. Bouncing out of that shelf.
Here we go.
I knew I should have went long on SPY.
There we go. Going to 45. Just slice through the POC. Here comes 45.
Wow.
They actually might take it to 48. Maybe not.
A lot of field auctions at 870.
Yeah, we don't want to resolve those today.
Drew, what's that purple line on the right of your book map?
That's the
Oh.
POC. Developing POC right here. Or VWAP, I'm sorry. Yellow line is the POC.
Okay. Now over to the right further.
Yeah, that's VWAP.
Oh, okay.
It's in, so like, this is the CVP. So if you right click, where is it? Configure column. So here's show VWAP.
Oh, okay.
And
Cool.
then this is SVP, configure column, and then show POC.
You ever place orders based off those? Off this?
No.
No.
I mean, like, I would use them to exit positions, but not to enter positions.
That's right, because we still can't trade from bookmap, can we, on TOS?
No. What are we doing, boys and girls?
Where's it going? Up or down?
It's going back to its happy place at 36. I'm joking. It was chilling at 36 for like 5 minutes. I don't know what's going on right now.
I'm liking 35.7 for long scalp. POC of those two candles. You couldn't give me one more tick.
I feel like I missed it, but I think that 44 was a good short. 44, 43, right around there. I realized it after the fact. And by good, I mean like a 5-point scalp. Because there's no movement right now.
Yep.
If we come back to like 43, 42, you can short it down to like 37.
If they want to run it, they can do it. They have the liquidity now. They took out a low. I didn't even notice at 38.29.
Wow, you guys see all those orders flash? I don't know what that was.
What
There it
happened
is
again?
again.
Yep.
It's on both sides.
They're about to range this all day. I should go long right now. I didn't do it. See, I didn't trust myself.
The only thing you can trade right now is like ES or MES. Or 43 again, if you can.
It just looks like they're silently selling off. Just from Bookmap.
This
Big flash of red orders. Sell orders come in.
I missed it. Where was it?
It was like 38, 40, 38, 38
Oh, okay.
in that range. They flash red orders and then sell. Happen again right here. And then sell. Happens again right there.
Oh, coming to 32.
Ricky, you're seeing things. Don't get our hopes up.
No,
No.
they're selling.
We're coming to 30, 33, 32.
Every time they flash the
That was
orders,
your long
mark
here.
orders come in.
For MES.
Yeah. At the bottom of the box too.
If you went long here, make sure you're closing at like 39, 40.
Today's gonna be a small movement, so make it take it.
Today's about to be Drew checking out for the day.
No live
Yeah.
trade?
What's that? I'm sorry.
I thought you were live trading. Where's the live trades?
Yeah, look at those great trades you can take right now.
So disappointed in you right now.
I'm sorry. Let me full port nothing.
Yes. Yes, full port it all.
There's your 39.
Where's your 48? I don't think we saw it.
Puts.
No, I said go along when we came down to 30, whatever, 34, 33 there. And
Every time they
sell
flash red orders.
39 to 40.
Flash red orders right now at 42. There should be sell volume coming in right there on market side. If I'm proven right.
I mean, times we gotta tell you, Ricky, market don't care about your opinion.
Don't, but I feel like it's just trying to hide something.
Ricky Bobby.
It's Ricky
That's
Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
No, Ricky Bobby. I piss excellence.
Yes.
Are you Cal to his Ricky?
I'm not anybody's sidekick. I'm baby Jesus.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, sweet 6 pounds, 8 ounce baby Jesus.
That's me.
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
There's our 39.
That 40 level's tough.
Sorry, for people on YouTube, this is just not tradable unless you're trading futures, so I'm not taking on any trades right now.
It's just a little shake and bake.
It really is. This is going to test people that are patient. Watch the move come after.
I'm going to be patiently sleeping. So,
That might be more beneficial, to be honest.
well, I have work tonight, so.
Oh, yeah. Definitely get some sleep. I'm working right now as we speak.
I'm sorry, can someone define what work is anymore? I've lost touch with it.
Sure. I can take you to the hospital and you can run around like a chicken with your head cut off.
That I can do. How much do I earn for that?
With no license, nothing.
Well, then what the heck? How about a paid vacation?
You said
Cover
you
in my
wanted to
trip?
be reminded what work is, so I can show you.
Still gonna need to get to the hospital. You want to buy that plane ticket for me?
Sure.
Hey, they're cheap in January. Just don't book Southwest. I don't need to sit at the airport all day.
I see you said
Yeah.
you can go dig trenches with him.
No. That's crazy.
Trenches?
Dude, you're gonna have to buy me beer and pizza to
Ooh.
get me to dig trenches.
I live in the trenches.
I wouldn't even lie. No cap. I'd probably get like 5 minutes worth of work and it would look like I didn't do a dang thing and then I'd be exhausted.
And you'd have blisters all over your hands.
No, I'd just be done. I'd just be breathing like a madman. You guys do this every freaking day, all day? No way. Not happening.
Yeah. Right.
Smoke too much weed for this.
Not going anywhere, man.
Ooh,
This shelf, though.
Yeah, you
They're not
do, I
breaking the
see.
shelf.
we might go to 46 here. We might
Ever
go to
since we broke back
46.
inside.
Yeah, this sideways chop is doing no favors for my paper traded strangle.
Oh,
Testing
yeah,
a
that's getting
theory out.
shredded right now.
Oh
That is
yeah,
getting
it's just sitting there. It's not too bad. I'm playing with a strangle theory of like the golden number of contracts in order to do a strangle and have at least a single free contract with house money.
I
Yesterday it
remember you
worked out
showing
well.
that. I remember you showing that yesterday. That is just too complicated for my brain.
Not really. It's just saying you don't know which direction the market's going, so you're going to play both directions. And you just got to remember how to cut your losses.
Yeah. Not close above that low. 3842.25.
This is
Shorty went short on SPX.
Wait, what?
makes sense.
It says 38.45 short. Doesn't that mean you're shorting at 38.45?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought he was talking about getting into a position.
Nah. You gotta wait to that level.
That's
yeah.
okay. Misunderstood as the mark. I was like, what?
Yeah, he's saying
So
it's
he's
short.
No
bearish.
way. Why would you be in it right now?
38.45 on that's like what? 38.55 on ES.
It would be
No.
like the 7-day value area low or value area high. So that'd be like 38.77 on ES. It'd be up
On the
there.
PDPOC.
That's a lot. It's probably like close to 38.57, right?
Yeah, I don't know how SPX moves compared to ES.
I thought it was 13 points different, but
It constantly changes over time.
okay. Right now it's at 38.20. So
The way it works is your front month is whatever, it's March, okay? But SPX is December.
That shelf, man.
So you have
That
time to
shelf.
go down.
so it's like 20
It's-
points right now.
Yeah. That shelf put in work. Came back into it, never broke below it.
Here comes a short entry.
VWAP.
$48. If they give it to you, $49.
Big boy buy orders, okay.
That's where you.
They're
Whoa.
just ripping it. 38.50's got a lot of orders.
Yeah. And
Nope.
they're slicing through it.
I'm gonna laugh if my Netflix 300s pay.
I knew I should have went long at that shelf. That shelf was interesting. Broke under, came back up, retested it at the bottom of the shelf, and launched it.
They might go to that 38.57.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
SR flip right there. I know a whole Discord that was short and they all just got burned.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, I just got out of the 3840 calls right here, like 5.
Nice.
It was pretty brutal waiting the last 10 minutes.
I bet. We're going to 57.
There's that fail auction also at 60.
Yeah, you're right.
Or 64, sorry.
Yeah, same thing. We'll come back down so I can get the entry. Nine more minutes before the imbalance is set for the day. Range.
I think it's already set, right?
Yeah, well, basically. Unless we get some huge move last second.
Yeah. 'Wow, book map.
Looks like they're hunting for everybody's stop loss.
Yeah, come back down. Back to the green box.
No, it's gonna bounce here.
I know, but need a better entry. I can't enter
Sorry.
here.
Sorry, bro. You might get
BWAP.
44. No. You might get 44, Ricky Bobby.
Maybe. Hopefully.
Ooh. I think I have bias that it's just going to be choppy today. Which is a bias I've never had before.
It's funny, we had a P-shaped volume profile too. A long P shape,
Mm-hmm.
but close under the POC.
Yep.
Well, I guess I'm not getting 44.
Nope. We are going to get 57, though.
Yeah, wow. The orders has disappeared. They're all the way up at 55 now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting here watching the 10 seconds candles.
You're
You remind me of
nuts.
those
Lots of
ICT
fun.
traders.
Well, I've paper traded up 2,200 so far
Jeez.
using this 10-second candles.
He is short here.
No.
Open drive.
Oh, I forgot about Open Drive. Come on.
But we didn't
How did
get
I
there
miss
yet.
that?
It's 54.
Can't believe I didn't realize that.
Oh, I feel like trash. Ugh. I'm feeling pretty stupid right now.
Market's stupid.
I had vacation this weekend from work. And I decided I was just going to end up working it. And then Monday, I felt a tiny bit under the weather. And I was like, oh, I'll just wait, before I tell them to put me back on the schedule, just in case I'm feeling sick. And last night, I felt fine. So I called them and I was like, hey, throw me back on the schedule. And now I'm not feeling good.
Oof. My manager just asked me how's work going. It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good.
I take it you work from home?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Some days I work in the office.
What kind of work do you do?
Work for the IRS. Do paperwork.
You work for the
Taking it.
IRS?
Yes, sir. Taking your tax money.
Wow.
It's all right. I skip on taxes too.
It's not fair. And me and Drew joined the list at exclusion. No need of taxes.
Yeah, man. I don't hear nothing.
Give you some information, just avoid it.
Avoid what?
Avoid our taxes.
Yeah, I got you. If I don't do my taxes, I get a red folder. Don't want to get that folder. Well, Shorty Short is working out so far.
I'm hoping they pump it back up to 50 again. Be a nice
that'd
entry.
Beautiful. I only bought one contract, so 378.
What was that noise? Mm. Shorty's in 3800s.
Yeah, stop above high day.
Oh,
Come
dude,
on,
it's
come
gonna
back up.
dump.
Oh, come back up. I just want to add a couple more
one more.
contracts. Right here. Create this failed auction. Go back up.
Need Kathy Wood to throw some money at things.
Oh, please.
Pump this market.
Oh, we are distinctly looking for dumpage.
I'm just looking for one nice entry.
I'm in those JD puts
Short.
still, and I'm in PFE puts as well. And then I also have that 30K short position. So
Yep, PFP puts.
PFE.
Yeah. What do you got?
February 17th, 45 puts.
There we go. Come on.
Don't tell me. Is it coming up? Oh, it's coming up. Yeah, come up.
Dude, there's no way it's gonna dump.
Oh, those are cheap. $40 is a contract.
Mm-hmm.
That's cheap.
Yeah, and if you look at PFE,
That's the SR flip right there too. 45.
so PFE's got a big old bear flag.
We're not testing the top of that again. Good night.
And Shorty's too good.
Really is. It's a
It's gone to
crime.
like 48.40. I don't understand how when he enters a trade, there's suddenly volume.
Yeah, I know. It's like he enters the trade and 2 seconds later you see a massive spike down. It's like the market makers are just waiting for him to take action.
Yeah. There's been like no volume all day, and Shorty's like, "Oh, I'm short here." Boom, volume.
I wish I bought an extra contract.
Come on, pump it back up
Please.
one more time. Go all the way to the daily pivot, 53. Fake everyone out and then die.
Did you take PFE, Ricky Bobby?
I am about to. I missed. Oh my God. I missed a good entry. It's still 40. We're good. Take 4 cons of that.
Wow, here comes a pump.
Yep.
Bring it, baby.
We should be going to about 49.50, right around there.
Look at all the orders up there. Holy.
Combo's pumping. Oh, I just realized what Shorty saw. If you look at the wicks on the combo on 3 minutes, like it's an easy short.
Oh, it never closed above.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Wick,
Right
wick.
there at the 49 at 49. Or are you talking about up at 51?
On the combo,
60.
yeah,
Oh, I'm
60,
sorry. I'm not looking at. I'm looking
61,
at ES.
6150.
Yeah. Wow.
It's at
That is
the
really nice.
daily pivot and just wicking like crazy.
One last pump. Then we can sell off into the new year, and they're probably just gonna pump it all first quarter anyway.
No way, bro.
Nah, they're gonna
Why?
die.
Yeah. When everyone's bearish, yeah.
I don't think everyone's bearish though.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Kramer keeps calling. No, Santa Riley.
People do listen to Kramer for some reason.
And then Kramer's gonna go this time for sure. Just like Bullwinkle.
I know that dude's getting paid to just lead everybody wrong.
100%.
He's probably like
No,
the
no doubt.
smartest guy in the room, and he's like, I know the market's dumping, but I gotta tell everybody it's gonna rip.
Honestly, it's
Because he's
crazy.
shorting. The guy's got $100 million. Think about it. You got voice to the market. You short. You're a douchebag. You short it, and then you say, "Buy it's time to buy."
Wait, didn't a bunch of people just get arrested for that? Doing the inverse, I guess. Pump and dump.
The problem is they didn't work for Goldman Sachs.
Well, the problem is they're not analysts, and analysts are allowed to voice their
Lie.
opinion. Yeah, or
Yeah.
whatever.
So right off this trend line right here too. It's not like a clean trend line, but trend line
Ooh,
nonetheless.
pumpy pump.
Your entry's coming again. 49.50, right around there.
Waiting for it. I
I
just want to
just
grab
need
two
Netflix
more.
to move another $12.
Two more puts. That's all I want. I almost bought 22. Holy.
Dude, can JD lose like a point or two so I can get out of my short? That would be great.
Yeah, I accidentally bought 100 Tesla puts one time.
Shoot. I remember one time when this Discord first started, um, Flipper was clicking buy on Tesla, and like I don't know what was happening, but like it wasn't filling or whatever, and he clicked like 20 times,
Oh my God.
and he
So
got
you had what, 2,000 shares?
20 contracts,
Oh,
and it went completely the wrong way, like so fast,
uh,
and he lost so much money. I felt bad for the guy.
well, I had bought 100 and I'm like, what the hell? And I was trying to get out. I got out with a 10-cent move. It's like, whoa, I made $1,000.
That's
So
crazy.
I know it's freaking awesome. It was luck.
Yeah, but if that was me, I would lose 1,000. Must be nice to accidentally make $1,000.
Oh no, I had something similar. I had I forgot what it was. I accidentally hit because if you're in stocks, it shows 100. So then when you go to the options, sometimes it doesn't change from one
Yeah.
from 100 back to one. So I did 100 on something or another, and and I was trying to hit cancel. I was hitting like flat, and so what ended up happening is it ended up selling everything, and I lost $3,200.
Wow.
It because it was still trying to fill, and I was trying to cancel the attempted fill as it was filling. So
Yeah.
of course it was selling against the fill. So the market makers were just saying, how much money do I want to make here?
How much
That's
money do I want to make here?
Just want two more contracts. She's not gonna give me it. Why you gotta be right, Shorty?
All right, PFE, let's dump. Wow.
All together now.
Yeah, let's go to 38.40. Let's go, PFE.
ES volume sell off. It's terrible. Ad sell off when we got to the top actually increased. ES decreased.
VIX has a diamond bottom on the 3-minute.
Send it to the grave.
Well, if the VIX crashes, we're going to be flying up, right?
No. Diamond bottom would mean it would rip up.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
PFE, get ugly now. Let's go.
Yeah, trap the shorts into selling. Or sorry, trap the shorts. Make the shorts sell and then dump it.
Sorry, everybody on YouTube. Hopefully, at least this is entertaining. It's pretty boring price action.
Yeah, we're trying our best to be entertaining here.
This is probably a good short entry here, 46. Hitting POC, VWAP, developing POC. Looks like we're coming back to like 46 again. 45, 46. You can try scalping short there.
Be hard to get filled at 46.
No, not
Might want to
46.
go
That's why I said
75.
45, 46.
There are no orders to the downside.
Yep.
Oh my god. Drop this thing already. Yeah, give me 46. I'll definitely short it on futures for that one.
I wouldn't wait for 46. But yeah.
Oh, it's gonna come out. Yeah.
No, right there, 45.75.
Oh, please. Oh my
Telling
god.
you, 45.75. I couldn't spit it out fast enough, but yeah.
I market ordered at the worst time. Okay, I'm in short. Dude, dump it, please. I'm short ES. They about to hit the stop loss and they hit it.
What, you stopped out?
Yeah, I was playing ES. I was playing MES.
Oh,
Play really tight on it. ES. Wow. Okay.
how?
Where?
What?
There's no volume in this.
That's insane. It has to reject here.
Oh, he just ripped through so many orders.
I'm so confused.
What is life?
It had to reject there. Crazy.
Well, there's the 3800s or 250 basically.
What are you even trading anymore? What is
I
happening?
just grabbed those 3800s.
Yo, D, man, if you're down $1,000, I mean, I don't know what percentage that is on your account, but man, you just started trading too big of a size. And probably too many trades. What the? All right, bro. Yeah, D, man, you're in the wrong mindset, bro. Gotta have that never give up mentality to trade. Promise you do. I've been there. I blew 3 accounts before I got my head on straight.
Yeah, blowing accounts is kind of normal when you're starting. And wanting to quit is very normal. And that's normally when you make breakthroughs and come out ahead.
You want to know what I'm down on my main account still, D? I'm down 57% all time. $3,700. Ain't gonna stop me though. It's all about the percentage. It's not about the dollar amount.
Wow.
Are we pumping still? And then
No.
it rejects. Whatever.
Dumped.
You know what? A wall at 355 showed up and I was like, you shall not pass.
Yeah, it was the daily pivot. We went and kissed the daily pivot.
Sure did.
Which is close to the value high as well as the orb high.
Ow. Oof.
Disgusting.
Now Shorty said he wasn't going to sell out of his put unless it broke that. So
I know I
it went
should
right
have
up and
added.
kissed it. It went right up and kissed it.
I should have added.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised you cut your short position there.
Well, it was ES. I wasn't risking being down like immense amount. I'll enter if we pull back here.
47. Yeah.
Wow, that 3-minute candle. That's disgusting.
I'm looking at 15-second candles and it's interesting.
What? You even get information from that?
Oh yeah,
That's
totally.
great.
Oh yeah. I mean, for volume, it's hard to see it if it's not like 3 to 5 minutes. But from a candle perspective, when you're trying to get in right at a turn, it's pretty good.
Oh, I gotcha.
But I'm used to like being in trades for 7 seconds.
I feel so dumb right now. This was the open drive. This was the play. This was the short.
We were so focused on
Throw that again. I wasn't
everything
looking.
else.
This is the open drive right here.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, you're right.
That was the play.
I'm like,
That was the point of ad.
I don't even know
You're
where my
short
mind
opposite
was.
opening drive.
Yep.
In the 3-minute candle, the reject is beautiful. Like you see all that green volume, but in the 3-minute, it's disgusting. Yeah, we're just gonna dump. I don't believe anything else.
Drew, can you explain what is that open drive once again, please?
Oh,
When you
here.
get time.
I'll just show it the best way that I can.
One of the greatest moves, and I missed it.
They're great when they play. Trader Dale's. I want to say it's page 32. It might be 28. Page 28. Yo, can you chill with that? Thank you.
I'll pump it up a little bit more again.
A little bit up to the trend line.
All right,
I'd be
so
cool
this
with it.
is open drive. Basically, this was the open of the day, and we had a sell off in this example. And then when price comes back to there, you would take it short. Or if it's the inverse, if your open pushes up, when you come back down to that same level, you take it long.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, so this is page 28 on Trader Dale's volume profile. I talk about this book all the time. For people in YouTube, the link's in the description. For people in Discord, the link's in the books section. But and it's cheap. It's like a $7 book. And if you don't want to spend $7, you can actually just go to Trader Dale's website. And me personally, I like to have like physical copies of books, but here's the free download for order flow. And then
Gives you a free download.
free
Wow.
download for volume profile. So he doesn't charge for the books. But personally, I like to have a physical copy, like I said, because I highlight stuff and take notes and whatever else. But if you just want a PDF, you can go to Trader Dale's website, Trader Dale or trader-dale.com. And you can download both of these books for free. And And then once you have it, like we're on the Discord, on the YouTube channel, we go over most of the trades, but it's nice to see them. Like we talk about SR flips. This is our SR flip on page 27. So you see resistance, 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 resistance. Then you break above resistance. The next time you come back down, you take it long. So he has a lot of good trades. Tells you exactly how to take the trades. So here's a example of open drive to the long side, where we opened, you come back down, retest, and you go long. Like this is just a killer book. It's a must read. It's short and it's interesting. I don't like to read books. This is a great book. I highly recommend it for everybody. So.
Hey Drew, in the book, the candlesticks color coded or black and white?
Well, it depends on which book you buy.
Okay.
Trader Dale has a hardcover color copy that sells for like $35.
Okay, that's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah, the black and white is $7.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think on my Amazon checkout I have the black and white, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it.
Well, when you order it, do me a favor and click my link in the books.
Oh, okay. Can you send me the link?
Oh, sure. Who is this?
It's James.
I'm glad you mentioned that. I was about to.
Oh, baby. There
I've
it
been
is.
I've been reading the online ones just because they're color.
Anybody get short off the retest of VWAP? How's it going? That was a good entry. We came back up and retested VWAP. Well, almost. It's like 2 ticks off. Oh. Well, we just need increased volume and then we can dump.
So that's the link for the color version. If anybody else wants it, this is it. I just posted it in the main chat. And I'll post it on YouTube as well.
I got you, man.
That's the hardcover color version. Open Drive is playing out.
Oh, it is playing. I'm so mad I couldn't add. Oh my god.
I'm so mad that I didn't even catch it at the time.
Those 3800s went down to 205.
Yeah, that was the trade of the day.
They're 470.
Yeah.
I think we're going to the imbalance low of the day. We're gonna test it here.
I think PFE should keep dumping.
Holy orders at 38.4250. Send it to the bottom, please. You seen that?
Yeah, I feel like I missed the trade of the day. I'm pretty bummed.
You definitely did.
Thanks. Rub it in, Ricky Bobby. I don't understand how I missed it.
Like, we were so focused on sideways action, we didn't see it.
I was waiting for it. This is what I was waiting for.
Imbalance high of the day, it was perfect. I mean, I kind of missed it too. I got a bad entry, so.
But you got an entry.
Yeah, nonetheless. I got it on the VWAP retest.
I'm sitting on my hands.
You know, if you'd taken action even after you called it, you'd be up a lot.
Oh, for sure. I know.
Even after you, quote, missed it.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Bean.
Hey, I missed it too. I'm just saying.
Okay.
I gained all my losses back from today on futures. Let's go.
I was sitting here looking at it and I'm like, okay, it went to 205. Okay, it's 320 right now. Oh, okay, I missed it. But if I had taken action, it's what now? 490?
I've never had so many people pour salt in my wound at the same time. I love you guys.
I'm sure you'll get me next time when your wife makes you food, so I gotta
Oh,
get my action in.
you know I will. And that's
Come
every
on, just
day,
dump
so
it.
that's
I
every
know, and it's just, it's
every day,
amazing.
Ricky Bobby.
It's amazing. Gonna make me get a wife.
Dude, you should have seen what my wife made yesterday. I don't even know what to call it, but I was laughing at her because she was downstairs like cooking, and I'm like, babe, what are you making? And she goes, well, you guys would call them dumplings, but they're not dumplings. And then she literally made a dumpling, but then she squished it with her hands into like a pancake, and I'm like, babe, it's just a flat dumpling. Like, what are those called? I'm trying to think of the word. Or these little things.
I know what you're talking about.
Hang on, wait, I'm gonna pop it up. So she literally made these round dumplings, but then she squished it with her hand and told me it's not a dumpling. And I'm like, it's
Yeah,
still a dumpling. You just made it
I know what
flat.
you're talking about. Yeah, the Chinese dumplings.
Yeah, the little round ones.
Those things are so good. God,
Yeah, yeah, my wife's amazing. Yeah, she made, oh wait, why'd you do that? Go away. She made these little things, but then she squished them with her hand and said it's not a dumpling. Like, sure, it's still a
yeah, I'm
dumpling.
jealous.
Oh, they were bomb too. Like, they were bomb. She put squash inside of them and a bunch of other stuff. I don't like squash, but it still was amazing.
My last girl couldn't cook, so I was the cook.
Yeah. Man,
Forewarning, I'm not even a good cook, so it's
now
tough.
we're gonna chop sideways.
Yep, I exited the trade too,
Good for you.
and we bounced. Gone.
Your boy can cook.
You can cook?
Yeah, I used to be a sous chef.
Oh, I see. Told you you're gonna be my wife.
You've got me twisted, bro.
You can work all the hours and cook the food. Look at you. Call you king and queen.
Crazy, man. Call me your wife.
Oh God, we're gonna dump.
Good.
Please. Got green on PFB too. It's nice.
Sorry, YouTube peeps. I feel like Dookie today. And I feel like I missed this really hard. I don't know how. I don't know how I missed this. Oh,
Watch that be the only trade today.
it's gonna be, and that's why I'm so disappointed. I
Yeah,
wouldn't
they don't want to
care.
move the market.
I wouldn't care if I missed it if there's something else to trade. But look at Bookmap is dead.
Yeah, we're in complete balance. I mean, in the daily, we're in a really strong balance right now. We're just chilling. Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna walk away before I FOMO into something and just ruin my account again. Not
You
happening.
should.
Yep, shutting down. We done.
You got to stay on the stream though for the lulls.
Oh, I'm still here. I'm just shutting down my trading material before I take a trade.
Smart man. Dude, JD is ticking me off. It's got a dump.
Didn't you take next week, Hans?
JD, they're for January 20th.
Please.
I'm just annoyed. They open like so good today.
Wow, that daily candle is deadly.
The opening candle on JD is like a full point.
Holy God.
So, Maddie, it's not that this is the IBH, it's the, or wait, the IBL. No, I drew this after. This I drew after the fact. The IBL and IBH is set in the first hour of the market, so it's the high and the low of the day, or the high and the low of the first hour. So these lines were drawn after the fact, but the trade was the opening drive, which is where this is where we opened here and we sold off and then we came back up and touched it. This would be your entry short. Yeah, so it has nothing to do with the IBH. Let's just take that off to get rid of confusion. Yeah, this is the open drive. So I'll show it again. Volume profile, page 28. It's kind of disgusting that I have the pages memorized. So it's where you open and like you see a big sell-off. The next time you come back to that level, you enter short. And like you don't hesitate, you just enter short. And then the inverse, where is it? Open drive, if you pump at the open, come back and retest that level, you go long. So hopefully that makes sense. All right, cool.
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna jump. I had to find my voice to clarify what I asked because I screwed up when I typed it the first time.
Okay.
So we missed that opening. We because I know you did. Not to rub salt in your wounds again, but
You're
we
good.
missed that opening drive play earlier. I would the likelihood that when we hit it again that it's still valid is what? I've seen them do 3 touches, but I tend to trust the first touch more than the second. Usually at the end of the day, if they're trying to test it again, they're trying to push through it, is what I've observed. But I don't know if I'm like just kind of imagining that or not.
No, I agree with you because it creates
Okay.
confidence. So like if you think about yourself as a market maker, if you're saying, hey, retail, we left here, came back here, left again. What happens next time we come here? Oh, we're gonna leave again, right? No, third time we're gonna push through because that's where they're gonna take your premiums. So
yeah.
Hey Drew, is there is there a candle time that works best on that? Because I'm looking here on the 1 minute candle. It looks like we opened at like 46, but we went up to 54 in the first 5 minutes. But on the 1 minute, so the opening drive, would it be 46, which in case we went over? Or, I mean, I guess, I totally see how the 5 minute candle would have been the thing. I'm just trying to figure, you see what I'm saying?
I'm trying to find our open today. I can't. 1 minute.
We actually opened at what looks like
I see it here. So on
34.
On 1 minute, it's at 38.50, and that's where Shorty started going short. on the opening drive.
Uh,
Right, he was taking it here, and we
my
came
minute's
down, came
not
back up.
quite 50. Yeah, because mine's actually.
Here, I can draw it.
I'm looking.
So this is our 1 minute candle. Oh, are you talking? Wait,
I'm talking the first minute. The first minute, the highest the thing went was 48,
you're right.
38, 48.
Yeah.
But then but if you look at a 5 minute candle, yeah, you have a wick going all the way up to 54,
Mm-hmm.
which is kind of what looks like the opening candle. So I mean, it's like if I need to look at 5 minute candles, because 1 minute candle that doesn't match out, but looking at it, it totally looks like that's what it did. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, in that case, I would say 5 minute candles because I've seen it work a bunch of times on 5 minute candles.
Yeah.
I never look at 1 minute candles,
Yeah.
so I don't
Okay.
even consider them.
Even volume wise, I always look at the 5 minute for volume. 3 minute the lowest.
I've seen open drive play out on 5 minute candles a bunch of times, so I would say
Yeah.
that's a good.
I'll look at 5 minute then. That's why I just want to basically, look at the right thing. Otherwise, that's a 10-point move I'd miss.
Yeah, I mean, you have to give the market time to settle. So even if you switch
Yeah.
to 10 minute candles, it's going to be the same. If you switch to 15 minute candles, it's going to be the same.
Yeah.
But that first couple of minutes of the market,
Crazy,
it
typically.
slaps around quite a bit. So I guess you just have to give it enough time to develop.
Yeah, 10 minutes look really good.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do that. Thanks.
Actually, I'm glad you brought that up because I seriously never look at 1 minute candles.
Because I look at such short term so often, but it doesn't always pan out depending upon what you're trying to follow.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dumping.
Yep.
Yep.
And those 38s, kicking myself on that one. Would have been a good.
Yeah, let's keep talking about that.
Dude, I missed it too.
I know you did.
In fact, I'm kicking myself because I was looking at it even when it was like $3 and saying, "Oh no, I'm not going to get in it."
Now they're 510.
Yep. Yeah. It's funny because I had my feel was we were going down today. I was just waiting for the entry to get in short.
Well, I was bullish.
I was just too greedy.
I'm sorry, I was bearish last night. I went over all of it on the watch list. I was saying like if we get a retest of 57 and if we get a retest of 64, like both good entries.
Well, to me, it's more about the logic of this is the last trading day of the year.
Mhm.
And so people are selling stuff off. They're not buying.
Well, we had
They're buying January 1st possibly, but they're not buying yet. They're going to,
yesterday we had the P-shaped volume profile and we closed under the POC. So
yeah.
Screaming sell off to me.
I'll watch them rip it. Watch them just from here rip it all the way up 100 points, and then you're going to be like, see, I knew it was going to go up.
No, I mean, like, if it did now, that's fine. I was bearish overnight.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Oh,
into
well, that
this
was a good
morning.
call. That was an awesome call.
Yeah.
Did you short overnight?
Yeah, I have JD and I have PFE.
Oh, I thought maybe ES or MES or something. You took a short
no.
on the night.
No.
Because that would have been a nice move.
I don't like to be able to not manage my position like on bigger plays like that.
I mean, it went right up to there to like 36, 38.70 range, which was totally the shorting for such a while.
Yeah, and 40 was a good short entry if anybody saw those orders come in. Massive amount of orders, 300 orders. God, 40 was the move. I was on the phone with my boss. Come on.
Wow, this is crazy.
And as they're dumping, they're going to do this very slow and methodically.
Oh. 4-hour cloud is closed at 38.17 or 38.18 on ES.
Oh, interesting.
What time frame?
Doesn't matter.
4 hour.
Yeah,
Oh.
it does.
Sorry, 4-hour cloud. No, the time frame for the clouds doesn't actually matter. It could be on 30-minute, 1 day. It's all the same.
Yeah. Well, not for 4 hour. You can't be on 1 day. Anything below
Oh,
4
okay.
hours. Yeah, they're based on ATR, so they're not based on time.
Yeah, that 4-hour bound is closed.
All right, guys. I'll see you later.
All
It's
right,
my
man.
anniversary, so
A good one.
wife probably wants to spend some time.
Happy anniversary. Happy New Year.
Thanks. Yeah, same to you. Thanks.
Funny.
Let's go. We're dumping on absolutely no volume. Love to see it.
I might get a bounce here.
Yeah, that previous week value low, that's my first exit. I'm trimming one contracted there.
I say might because I don't know. It's looking scary.
It is. We just don't have the volume.
It's looking like it wants to slice through, but there's orders there. There it goes.
Do it.
I shouldn't say scary. It's looking beautiful. Keep dumping.
Yeah, to you it is.
Keep dumping. Here, cash register sounds. JD's just doing whatever the hell it feels like doing.
Yeah, it's on its own vibe right now. It was
Is it?
like pumping while I was dropping.
Totally on its own vibe. Well done, Darlock. Everybody's doing better than me today.
Nice.
Everybody.
It's one thing you can look at.
Oh, I'm happy for everyone.
Yeah.
And I'm good.
One good
I don't have to trade.
Not when you're feeling like that.
Yeah, I don't feel hot at all. Do scammers on Discord like actually make money? They're so annoying.
I don't know. Think.
Is Netflix gonna hit 300 today?
Is that seriously a possibility?
Wow, this is pumping. What the?
Wow. It is actually a possibility. That would be nuts.
Hey, once you get above the BPOC, I mean, yeah.
We all need one of those plays. Just like 10,000 contracts at $1 that go to like 300.
Okay. Do that in the bull market by running calls. Oh, that level.
Following Apple.
Looking at Netflix, you have a massive shelf at 295 to 294.38. That is your tough level to get over.
All right, this is crazy. It's almost lunchtime.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
All right, you got someone to cook you the best breakfast or dinner in the world. All right.
Here's
I'm
some,
going downstairs and make a sandwich.
here's some jealousy.
A little bit. A little bit.
Are you
Oh, yeah.
checking Apple, Drew?
Might have to repeat that. Oh.
Shorty's play.
Yeah, I went in on puts earlier.
Oh, nice.
I had an Apple put for next week expiring. And I was like, oh, let me sell it. I just don't want to take the risk. And bam, we gap down.
Yeah, I mean, Shorty posted that play yesterday, but the contracts were like 6 apiece.
Yeah, I wasn't paying that much. So I grabbed next week. But I was like, man, the expiration, the data, I get killed overnight. I think, bam, we gap down.
Apple's at like the 50% mark if we're using the orb level. Just trying to get over it. I'm not sure if it's going to go through it.
Apple has decreasing cell volume.
Pop up a picture on YouTube. Let me see.
Increasing volume there. Apple's weird.
Yeah, I just trimmed my last one. The volume's dying down.
Yeah, like you have increasing volume when it rejected. Or sorry, increasing volume up to resistance. And then when we reject it, we just have decreasing.
Go along here, maybe?
You're under VWAP, so that's kind of tough. I don't like trading in VWAP.
Here you go, folks. I'm not worthy.
Yeah. Who's that?
That's me. This is my beautiful wife.
That's rockets, bro. I want hair like that when I'm older.
Beauty and the Beast.
It's time to
Yeah,
hit the,
the best wife.
beast mode.
My
When are you gonna show your hand, man?
My little
Sorry, go ahead.
dude. Oh wait, where's the volume? There we go.
You can't hear it unless you stream Google. The crap part about Discord. I got the same bag. The exact same bag.
My little beast.
I remember when you showed that video of him with the kids and like he was the one working hard, all the kids are just sitting there throwing like tiny little punches.
And so that video cracks me up, bro.
I was dying.
His energy compared to theirs is so funny.
Right.
Let me see if I can share it.
You're going places, kid. You got the energy, the spunk.
What's best is like his jujitsu is better than his stand up. Like if you saw him rolling, you'd be like, "Oh damn." Homeboy doesn't play.
God, and he knows both. Oh my god, he's gonna be a.
Oh
he's a
shoot, he
monster.
does MMA, so he's doing Muay Thai, kickboxing, boxing, wrestling, and jiu-jitsu.
Nice. Muay Thai is so important. In my opinion, the best fighting style.
Oh, I agree for what's it called for if I could English for like street fighting for sure.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And having that jiu-jitsu background in case you go on the ground, oh my god, you're unbeatable.
Yeah. Let me see if I can pull up this video. The one you were talking about, Ricky. It's so funny.
That was great. Oh yeah, market makers showed their hand. There we go. Dump this thing real quick. Oh, wait, that's a green candle. Hold up.
So if this ever loads, my kid, if you watch him, it's funny. He's all hyped and going hard on the bag, and all the kids behind him are like twiddling their thumbs. And I'm not dogging on anybody's kids, but most children are not like super motivated about training and whatever. And he is very motivated.
He is very disciplined.
Yeah.
Crazy. Reminds me of my brother. My brother's extremely smart. Started talking when like he was like a year old. Before that, full sentences. Dump it. All right. We know you want to.
It's going sideways.
Bam! Just deleted all those orders. There's 353 orders at
What's
38.34.
on this video?
Gone. Dump it.
Oh, here, Ricky Bobby, this one's for you, bro. Look at this.
Homemade dumplings. Yo. Oh my god. Look at the food. Sorry, getting me hungry.
Oh, here, I made this. Homemade spaghetti.
Look how professional you did it. You even hung the spaghetti up.
You gotta
What is that?
dry it, bro. Oh, this candle? Wow.
What is that?
Is it coming back up? What's going on here?
We just
Yeah.
gapped up on Bookmap. We
Yeah,
just gapped up
gapped.
on Bookmap. What do you mean gapped up on Bookmap? Now look at the sell orders coming in. Insane amount of sell orders.
Wow.
Everything's negative. Volume, the
No,
book
we're
is
going
negative.
higher.
Why is it doing that? Right?
Whoa.
What the? We just gapped up on. I ain't never seen that before.
Oh, I
Do you have book
Eight-
names for Apple, Drew?
I do. Yeah.
So, wait, how do I move this? We had 800 804 buy orders into 1,300 sell orders. More than that. It's like 1,600. And we just kept on going.
This is Apple.
$38.40 hit again. That was the short level.
There's a lot of orders sitting at like 128. A lot.
Or selling?
Well, you don't know if it's buying or selling. It's just
Oh.
orders.
Popping up though.
Oh my god. What is this?
Yeah, ate early lunch and start playing again.
This is actually probably a good short here at 41.
The volume of this candle is not matching the size of it.
Actually, this is sketchy to short here with this volume. But they're probably going to dump it here. Ugh.
Look at the candle size and volume. I mean, yeah, it's green, but like the other candles that did pump, the size of them with the volume. I should short this. This is my last short of the day. See how
You
this
were
goes.
done, Ricky Bobby.
I was, but this is just looking like a good short, and this is actually at my short level.
It's looking sketchy.
It is looking sketchy. Tight stop loss.
Dude, why is this not working? Wonder. I've kind of given up on trading today. Sorry, everybody. Missed the open drive.
Really not worth it. This day is very weird. Not good price action. Besides that one play today. Send her to the grave, please. That was crazy. Like, did some news come out? I wonder. Oh, I'm stopped out. All right, whatever.
Up again.
What is even going on? You know what?
It's
I'm cutting all trades. All trades are cut. Done. This is where they take your money day.
That price decided to go up now. Son of a gun.
I wouldn't trust this though. Get a failed auction here. Yeah, equal lows. Equal lows at 38, 33.50. Watch that. Most retail would be like, hey, that's a double, triple bottom. I mean, when I see equal lows, usually I think they're going to be taken out for liquidity.
Here's a good one, Ricky Bobby. I don't show his jujitsu very much. This kid on the bottom, his energy level is the same as my son's. So the two of them just go back and forth. Like there's never really a clear defined winner. But it's so cool to watch both of them roll because they're both like they both train really hard. And for anybody that knows jujitsu, passing guard like this on somebody that's good, that's a huge accomplishment. But it goes both ways. Like, I think my son at the beginning of this is getting the better of him. But then at the end, this kid ends up reversing him. Oh, well, I'm over it. It's not going to load, but yeah, that kid ended up reversing him right at the end. It's cool to watch them. They go back and forth like crazy. Yeah, they do. It's really cool. I don't think Webull charges for live data midnight. But their charts are also like mediocre at best. Interesting. Yeah, I don't trade on Webull, so I don't know, but I thought they didn't charge. But you know, they just changed like I know they just started charging for options. So I don't know if they've changed and charged for their what's it called? Live data as well. Are you still there, Ricky Bobby? My boy left me.
I'm just starting eating lunch too, Drew. Walking away for a little bit. I kind of have to start going soon too.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere right now.
No, I know. Oh, it's lunchtime. I wanted to show Ricky Bobby this.
Oh,
I cooked this
looks good.
chimichurri sauce. Oh, if anybody's interested, this is my Instagram. Confusion with a K and a Z. Feel free to add me.
Will do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut out early then, Drew.
All right, brother. Happy
Have
New
a
Year.
great New Year.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye, Drew. You too.
A 1,000 orders at 38.39.
Ricky Bobby, I got something for you, brother.
I gotta see it. Holy, what is that? Is that a 5-star restaurant meal?
This is my cooking, bro. This is chimichurri sauce.
Oh my, yeah, you can definitely beat my wife.
You gotta chill
Look at
with
those
that.
orders. Almost 1,000 orders.
What?
What? I've never seen that before. Watch those all disappear in a matter of seconds.
Dude, there's no way.
940 orders.
Actually, this is probably good. This is probably a good long here at the bottom. If it comes back down here, hop in.
It's this shelf right here.
You're
It's
going
being
here.
respected.
It's only 5 points, but or 6 points.
Oh, come back down.
It will. Actually, this line, I drew it too fast. It's like that. I drew all of this too fast. There. I've never seen this before.
That's crazy.
Here, this is cool too. 72 shovel head.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Yeah.
That's your boy.
Boy, riding it. I can't stand motorcycles. I just don't want to deal with them. Everybody in my family had bad experiences.
I love motorcycles.
Don't want to be the one to influence them to buy it.
Love motorcycles.
They are amazing vehicles, though. You just feel like you're free on the road.
Yep.
Wow, the amount of orders that are stacking up down there right now.
Yeah, that's nuts. If we retest this, you want to go long there? If. If it doesn't give us that, you could go long above 43, but you're only getting like 4 points. That's probably smart to play in the money spy.
Yep.
Like 380s. So that's probably your long entry there. I'm going to be very clear. I am not trading this, but
This is scary. Like, I don't even know what's going to happen next.
I mean, I'm pretty sure it's going to pop. I just...
The order flow.
Everything's saying it's popping.
Yeah.
Volume's decreasing into the bottom of the flag. We have 1,000 orders sitting here. We're probably popping up. This is textbook. I just don't like that it's lunchtime and the last day of the year. But this is textbook right here. If this goes against us, the TA is correct. That's all I can say.
It's all that matters in the end, right?
Well, that's all you can do is you follow your
Mhm.
TA, and if it goes the wrong way, you just make sure you manage your risk accordingly, and you do that consistently, and you'll be profitable. It's how you make money trading. You will be wrong at least probably 20 to 40% of the time. And if you ever happen to hear somebody in Discord saying they're right 90% of the time, run away.
Yeah, I remember that guy.
Where'd he go?
He's still there.
Is he?
Yeah. He showed he was up 5,000%, but I mean, but you were up 5,000% off of like gambling away your whole account, and it's not even that large of an account. So 5,000% doesn't really mean much. I'm making like $40, $50.
Come on, pop it.
Money's money, but come on, man. You're acting like you're talking thousands.
Pop it.
It needs to. That was a good bounce.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it respected it. Now just move those 963 orders up a little bit.
Pop it. Oh, they moved the orders down. That's weird. I don't know what's going on today, boys and girls.
Suspect. I'm moving my stop loss break even.
Man. Pop it. They might just be annoying and go candle. I can't even draw that, but they might do one of these. Dink, dink, dink. I don't understand. Why are these orders moving down to 38.50?
What's
That's
down?
below the 50% retracement. That invalidates this bear flag. I mean, bull flag.
It's right at the top of my box.
Ricky Bobby likes these orders at 38.42.
Yep. They just removed all those orders. Yeah, they did. They canceled them all. 866 of them. Mind boggled. Like what even is that?
That's nuts. Now they're gone.
Yeah, it just vanished.
They're probably just trying to fake out retail, saying it's going down. Oh, they're gonna rip it. That's what they're doing, Ricky Bobby. They want people to think they can get filled down here.
Oh, with the order flow and like, hey, you can get pulled down here and then rip. Just rip before anybody can even expect it.
Doing a little shake and bake. I should move this. The entry is moved to here now. If you didn't get in at the bottom. I should probably just start my exit. I'm feeling horrible, people. Um, I need to go get some rest. I'm gonna hang out a little bit more, but I just want to wish everybody a happy new year.
Whoa.
It's a little fake out.
Yo.
Anyway, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate everybody that's been hanging out with me for this year. It's been fun. Hopefully, people are learning and growing. I know I'm learning and growing, and hopefully we can continue this momentum into next year. I know I will. I just hope you're all with me along for the ride. There's that rip.
Nice, baby.
There it is.
Shit, I was gonna take a trade, but you know what I'm saying.
Thank you, Darluck. Thank you, Don.
Hey, happy New Year to you and your loved ones, man.
Thank you, you too, bro.
Good call, Rockets.
Yeah, that was pretty easy. We should go to 47 here. Hopefully somebody caught this. Like, this was pretty textbook.
Oh my god, it's caught 6 points.
Textbook. I told you guys this was textbook. We had the declining volume into resistance, which is the bottom of the bear flag or bull flag, sorry. And then right here at the end, volume popped and we got the move almost to a T. We were looking for 38.46.75. We got 38.46.50.
And they even chased stop losses before they launched it.
Yep, they sure did. This is a little fake out here, but that's why you always want to have, like, if you're taking, I'm just going to use it as a teaching opportunity. Your stop, you always want it to be, like in this instance, the 50% fib would invalidate the bull flag. So you want your stop to be slightly below the 50% fib. And we're getting almost 6-1 on our trade here. And I would, anybody, Ricky knows this. I'm sure people in YouTube know this. I'm never trying to get an exit at the, to the T. I would probably take my stop, my take profit at 38.46.25, even though I'm expecting it to go to 38.47. So this is 6.5 to 1 on our risk to
Cannot
reward.
beat that. You cannot beat a 6-1.
So this is textbooks. This was an easy trade. Anyway, I hope some people got it. I might have talked some people out of it by saying I wasn't taking it. I'm just not feeling good, and I know. I guess this just comes down to like the discipline of trading. When I'm feeling like this, if I start taking trades, even if the setup is perfect, like I'm gonna mess something up, and I'm gonna tell myself, shoot, I shouldn't have took that trade. I'm not feeling well, and it's just not worth it for me right now. So, yeah, that all comes down to discipline. I know somebody else was saying they weren't feeling it today, so they're paper trading. Oh, that's Don. Yeah, Don's paper trading today because he's got 4 green days in a row and he's not feeling it today, and that's the best thing you can do when you're not feeling it. It's, when you're not feeling it, it's probably for a reason. And every time I'm not feeling it and I try to force it, I end up getting clapped. So,
yeah, same here, man. Same here.
Yeah. I'm going to hang out a little bit more, but it's going to be short-lived. So I need to get to bed and get some rest and hopefully start feeling better. Take my vitamins. Did anybody take 380s? I'm just curious if you did, what your fill was.
I took futures. I want to enter puts right here. Volume was trash.
Oh, thanks, Midnight. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, actually, you bring up a good point with saying you like how chill I am. In trading, you have to be completely emotionless. Like, if you're winning, emotionless. If you're losing, emotionless. When I first started trading, my wife could tell if I had a good day or a bad day every single time. Now she has no clue because I'm completely like just another day at the office. Like, I don't have a smile on my face when I win. I'm not all upset when I lose. It's just part of the game. You
Don't
have
get
to
us wrong. You're gonna be happy when you make money, but you just gotta control yourself.
see. I don't even get like, I don't know. I don't even get like that anymore.
I do still. It depends on if I'm making like my normal 5% a day, whatever. That's just another day. But if I hitting the 25%, I'm a little happy. I stopped trading at that point. I definitely need to work on the emotion part.
Yeah.
Who won 4,000% their account? It was just, it's some
Oh,
guy that in another Discord that completely YOLOs his account and blew like 5 accounts already.
I don't think they actually went 4,000%. I'm still not
No,
buying
he
it.
did. It was past week 4,000 on his account, 4,000%.
I,
If it was legit, he
I saw the
screenshotted it.
screenshot, but
Yeah, who knows if it was legit? Dude, YOLO's like every other day. So, what is he down on his whole account? Probably 50%
the whole
all
deal
time.
was he said he was 9 for 9 on trades for 1 week and he was up what like 9,000% or something crazy. No,
Yeah, 9,000%. 2,500%. Sorry.
2,500%, and that he was going to start teaching people how to trade. But then he wouldn't show anybody his 2,500% that he was up.
Yeah, and then he would DM me, yo, what do you think about today? Where do you think we're going? What are you asking me for? Thought you knew how to trade. And he called me a trash trader, but you over here asking me? Come on now. Come on now. In my DMs asking for help.
What is this line on my chart? Did I draw this? Oh, I did. How funny. Like, why do I have a blue line going, like, did it wick all the way off the screen?
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, if you took that play, walking away and just, you could come back during power hour, but I mean, at this point, we're lunch hour
Yeah.
and they're in the middle of the day. Perfect time to just balance.
Yep. I know it's been a slow day, everybody, and I apologize, but doing it live is pretty boring sometimes. That's why I don't like to do it a whole lot, but we got it here.
Yeah.
Still
Now you
not
just
happy
short the
about
range.
missing this one. Oh well.
That was the play of the day.
Yeah.
Holy.
Oh, Darlock, that's Ricky.
Going on. It's me.
I mean, there's been a few people talking live. Ricky, Vin, Mr. Bean was talking. TJ the Goat was talking. I think that's it. Darlock said, "What's up, Ricky?"
What's going on, Dialect? Yeah, I pull up your YouTube.
Dude, I feel like cheeks right now. I'm getting a fever too. What in the world? What's up, Pancho?
Yeah, you're welcome. What's up? That's me.
Oh, I was so confused. I thought you were saying what's up to them.
I was trolling you.
Why you gotta come in here all with the Espanol?
I'm a white Puerto Rican. Don't worry, I can't speak Spanish.
I speak enough Spanish to like. I'm trying to think of how YouTube I want to make this because like basically like I can find a bathroom, I can get food, I could get drunk, and I could pull a girl. That's the level of my Spanish.
That's all you need.
Yep. Yeah, Don
Yeah, it's
Ricky
me,
from
Don.
Keenan's.
Don has been killing it on futures.
Dude, that's awesome. Good for you, bro. What are you gonna teach us, Jam? I'm down. I'm always down to learn.
Right. I want to learn. What's up,
But
Don?
seriously
Keep killing
though,
it, bro.
no cap. Like I know you can learn from anybody, but sometimes I trip out. Like I've probably said this before, but my little one, I know that everybody has something they can teach me, but the other day my kid like was like, "Hey dad, did you know the moon is moving away from the earth by 1 centimeter a year?" And I was like, "No, it's not." And then I Google it and I was like, "Oh damn, it is." Yeah,
YouTube
Don,
got some weirdest emojis.
the disc whiz.
Squiz. If I was a villain, that would be my name.
We got all the cool kids in here today.
All right.
That's funny.
Remember when I was playing a video game yesterday? I was playing like this game called Ready or Not.
Mhm.
And I was just talking, and this one guy mentioned like a stock or something. So I started talking to him. Ended up finding out he actually works for multiple hedge funds,
Oh wow.
and he has inside trader knowledge. I'm like, don't tell me, bro. I'm not trying to get arrested.
Oh, you can tell me.
Yeah. He says I'm not allowed to trade because he'd get arrested for inside trading.
Oh,
He said
oh,
Apple, you should run calls all next year.
crazy.
Yeah. Yep.
If anybody's bored, I was reflecting on something yesterday. This just popped in my head because the Disc Wiz said his handles from the 80s. In the 80s, 90s, early 2000s, I was pretty
When I was
heavy in
born.
like the hacker scene.
Oh,
I'm not going to be giving up my handle or anything, but this um group, I was a member of this group, Motivate. This isn't hacking, it's pirating. Um for anybody that was in the pirate scene, like this is a courier group that used to basically transfer releases from one top server to another. I did this for a long time until Operation Buccaneer happened in October of 2000. Or so sorry, December 11th of 2021. Law enforcement from 6 countries took down like a bunch of people. It was all focused around this group called Drink or Die. Um, and I had friends, like a bunch of friends that got arrested and stuff. But this was the last day that I was a member of the pirate scene. I was like, nope, that was a little bit too close for comfort, and I dipped out.
Yeah, when the feds come to get you,
Well,
that's when it gets scary.
they didn't come for me because I would always proxy chain for everything I did. I would normally hide between like 10 to 20 proxies for everything I did. So,
Dang, you were set.
yeah, they never came for me, and I'm past the what's the word? I can't be prosecuted for it at this point in time. It's after whatever.
Statutes of limitation.
That's the one, the statute of limitations. So now I can talk about it openly.
Yeah, like on some OJ Simpsons.
I didn't really go into very much depth about all of that, but it was a fun time. Stupid stuff I used to do.
Gotta do what you gotta do to make money.
Oh no, that wasn't for money. That was just for fun.
This guy did it for fun.
Yeah.
Guy risked his life for fun.
Yeah, when you're young, you don't think about things like that.
Very true.
You could be a Nigerian prince.
Oh, you ran a server back then?
Oh no, I just know a lot of people back home that are like big time hackers and scammers.
No, it's like
Yeah.
Don on YouTube said he used to run a server. Were you on top sites, Don?
No, I just like I mean I have family members that that were into all those things, but I wasn't really paying attention to what they were doing.
Spy on
No,
a rocket.
I'm not on Spy
Where's
right
Spy
now.
going, bro?
I was.
You said spy on a rocket. No, it's not happening.
Yeah, this was the play that we just caught, or I didn't even take it. Like I said, I'm not feeling good today, and so I'm not feeling up to trading. But I did call out the play. Yeah, I used to do dial up Don P for like what's it called, BBSs and yeah, all that stuff back in the day. My 2400 baud modem. That's crazy, Don.
Spy is not on a rocket, Dynamite. Do not get your hopes up on that one.
Oh, I believe it. I used to hack companies, mostly colleges and stuff like that, with like really good fiber connections, and I would set up FTP servers on them all the time. So I was your enemy in the 90s, bro. Sorry. Love you. And I used to do IT as well. This
He was taking over your network down. That was hilarious.
It's probably true. This is the last IT job I worked on, is VR Park in the Dubai Mall. Wait, what's this? This Park VR. This is the last one I did.
That's crazy.
What's going on? I'm not trying to call.
What? I've never seen that pop up my entire life. Please call.com. Like who? What?
They got their link messed up there.
Yeah. What?
This, yeah, I helped build this. So this is It's kind of hard to see, but this is the Burj Khalifa from the ceiling down. They put like the city of Dubai on the ceiling. I have pictures like before it opened. So I was
That's
on
in
the
Dubai.
IT team that built this place. Yeah.
There you go. I know
Oh
where I'm
wow.
going. Yeah, that was perfect. It was decreasing volume. Pop.
Yeah, I don't do IT work anymore though. It's actually funny. My buddy, he owns a IT company, and he used to pay me like 150 an hour. And the other day, he reached out to me and he was like, "Hey man, like, are you free to pick up some jobs? We're like really slammed. You know, we're paying 50 an hour." I'm like, "That's $100 less than you used to pay me." Like,
Yeah.
what do you mean
Yeah.
50 an hour? Hey, boring is good in IT.
You're good, Dynamite. I got your joke.
That's dope. Where's
I mean, at this point, I ain't holding no puts. The only thing I'm holding now is PFE. We're seeing some green on that, which is pretty nice.
I'm seriously like feeling worse and worse by the minutes as the minutes tick by.
When you're staring at a screen, you got all that blue light hitting you. It's not gonna make you feel any better.
Yeah. You can, Don. Of course you can get consistent. Steve, so my thing with IT was like I was never professionally trained. So I graduated from high school in 94, like right when the .com crash happened. And so I originally planned on going into some kind of, um, computer science job and go to school for computer science. But with the .com crash, I was like, screw that. I'm not going to go to school for, a career that has no future right now. Um, but like from the stuff I did as a kid, like I was building computers in the 80s. Like when I was like 8 years old, I used to take our computer apart and put it back together. Um, and then I learned hacking um, right around, yeah, like right around 8 years old, the same age. And it's all self-taught, like back then. I mean, I'm sure there was like books or whatever, but my parents didn't have any computer books. I just taught myself and reversed engineered things and made it work. And learned like C++ when I was little. Or probably started with like C. I don't remember. Of course, like HTML. But everything was self-taught. So I never had like a formal education. Um, and so I've never worked like full time in IT. I've done some big jobs, but most of the time I would just do like consulting for friends or whatever when they need um, like when their business is overwhelmed and they need somebody just to step in temporarily and help out. So I actually at one point I ran my friend's entire IT business because he was overseas um, on a big project and needed somebody to manage his business while he was gone. But yeah, I've never done it like formally due to not being educated formally in IT work.
Interesting. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm sure you heard about the whole Southwest Airlines, you know, all relating to IT
No, what?
failures. Yeah, I mean that's why their system's crashing because they never like upgraded their ancient systems, I guess that run, certain things.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't stay too apprised to the news, so. So this isn't going to be the best picture, but this is when we were building that VR park. This is so they had a bunch of projectors that projected downtown Dubai onto the ceiling, and it would have like planes and cars that moved, and then this massive Burj Khalifa upside down from the top of the ceiling almost to the ground. But this was during like construction of the place, like it wasn't completed at this point. I wasn't allowed to share that picture back in the day. Nice done. Interesting. JD contracts are pumping. Excuse me. Are pumping. I don't know why.
You're right.
Like random, like because the price hasn't moved.
Yeah, it's been chilling. Same spot.
Maybe
Ooh,
the
wait,
move is
hold.
coming.
Hold. I wanted to pick up a contract. I just kind of forgot. I want to pick up one.
What, the JD January 20th 5250s?
Yeah.
All right, Don. Take care, brother. Happy New Year.
Have a good one, Don. Oh, ICU is in here.
Oh, and
What's
I
going
guess
on, ICU?
Steve, I guess I didn't explain the healthcare thing. So I never, like I said, I never officially worked in IT, but I was a fireman uh, back in the day, and I broke my back in 2000, and so I had to, at the time, like I was a single custodial father with two boys, and so I had to find a career I could get into fast that would pay the bills, and so respiratory was like a 2-year program. So I just hopped into that. Basically, I had to find something where I wasn't like using my back and where I could make decent money and keep food on the table for my kids. So, yeah, it's been a chill day, Don. I mean, it's been slow as far as trading. I apologize for that, but it's been cool hanging out with everybody and just chit chatting and BSing. I think it's actually a pretty cool way to end the year, honestly.
Oxy's getting to that buy level.
Oxy?
Almost there. It's the 59 to 57. Well,
I
56
probably
really
have
was the
it
range.
marked.
Yeah, you should. It was from like a long time ago when we did a watch list. Almost there.
What were you saying it is?
Like
Yeah.
59.30 to
Yeah.
56.60.
Yep. I don't know if you can see
Nice
my
shelf.
screen. Starter position long at $60, and then
Yep.
full position between like 58 to 56.80ish. Yeah, it's a good place to buy. By the way, Ricky Bobby.
Yeah.
I can smell breakfast.
Oh my god. You know what breakfast is? It's coffee right here. Something in my third cup.
Dude, you're doing better than me.
It's the only thing keeping me alive right now on this Friday. I should have called off of work.
I have like I have coffee every morning, but when I have work, I can't drink coffee right now because I need to go and like try to take a nap before work tonight.
Yeah.
So you're doing better than me. I'm here raw with no coffee.
Oh, I hate that. I hate trading with no coffee too.
Yeah, it's probably part of the reason why I feel like Dookie right now.
Yeah.
I'm not actually
Caffeine
getting
needs
sick.
it.
I'm just going through coffee withdrawals.
Whoa, what are those orders up there?
Yeah, nice.
See, you're not going up and we're not going down. It's chop all day.
No, we're slicing down right now.
Oh, the orders down below are crazy. Just realized that.
Dude, I would love nothing more than to close my PFE and JD plays today.
That'd be beautiful.
We could make that happen. That would be spectacular.
Bring me back up to 30.54 and I'll short it.
What's Netflix doing?
Whatever it wants.
Damn.
I think it's running up. What? Sorry, at 291?
I would be so happy if it hit 300 today, but it's not going to. I would be happy for Mr. Bean.
300 today, yeah. I mean, 294 is going to be a tough level to beat.
I mean, it's just not happening.
There is a rundown POC, accumulation POC, actually. Correct myself.
I'm pretty
A
mad at
distribution.
myself. Because when JD hit like $57, I'm like, I know this is the top. Like from here, it's just reversing down. I should add on. And I'm like, no, I'll suck it up. I could be exiting my play right now if I added on.
Imagine if you got a 60 or 59, 85 was the
yeah.
highest.
Yep.
Oh my god. Very next day, we just ran straight to the bottom.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to dump from here, but I've been in this play for, I don't know, like 3 days or something, and I'm kind of tired of it at this point. I'm
Yeah, I
tired
don't
of,
like looking at plays forever.
I don't need, I've been in Pfizer for like 2 weeks, I think, and I'm really bored of it as well.
I did buy some more shares of S Sentinel 1.
Oh, nice. What is
It
it
was at
trading
13.
at? 13?
It's at 14.38 right now. It was at $13 yesterday, and I loaded up on like I think 20 more shares. Yeah, dude, it was 13.14 yesterday at the bottom. I picked up like 10 shares.
Wow. This is lucid.
Yeah, look at that thing. And it all been profitable. They've been consistently profitable.
That's nuts. I don't understand. That's a solid company.
Let's keep it low. And look at they just bumped. Very next day, they just pumped.
Yeah.
My average. My average now is at $15.94. Originally $19.
Dude, this new dog we got is just nuts. Come here, buddy. Come here. You're a crazy little one.
Can't wait for the next earnings. It'll be March. I wonder what's gonna happen.
Hey. Yeah, this new dog we got just has no chill. Like, he runs around the house, upstairs, downstairs, for no reason, just runs all day. And then he'll go run around in the backyard, and then come back inside and run around the house.
Probably never known freedom until
Maybe.
now. Probably was locked in a cage away by
That's
the previous owners.
possible. He has a dog door now, so he's just like in and out and all over the place and trying to start fights in the backyard.
Yeah, those dogs are one of the hardest to train when they've been cooped up in a cage for so long.
He's actually been learning really fast, so that's cool.
Oh, he's getting better. I remember you said last time he was being an a-hole.
Yeah, no, I've corrected most of his issues.
Nice.
And we taught him to drop his ball already. Like, he loves, I don't know, like, he likes to carry things around in his mouth. So, like, he'll carry a bone around and just not chew it, but he'll just carry it all day. Or he'll carry his ball around. And we've taught him to drop it so that we can throw it for him. And he likes that. Dude, Pfizer contracts are going up, but the price is going up. My puts are going up. Price is going up.
Yeah, wait. What?
Same thing with JD. Like, I mean, I guess it's going down a little bit, but there's no reason that the contracts have moved like, I don't know, 10 or 15 cents.
IV.
Because price has been flat. But IV for what?
For something to come. That's scary.
No, that's good. Keep going.
Oh yeah, scary for everybody in calls.
Keep going.
Quite volatile. Yeah, the IV is increasing.
That's random.
That is the only explanation. Like IV is the only way you can make money while it's going up.
No, of course. I mean, I know that, but I don't understand. You know, like, I expect IV like going into FOMC or going into earnings, but just randomly at the end of the year. JPM 120, 140. I've never taken a big bull play.
I'll take that during the bull market. I'll take a bull play during the bull market. Until then, I'm only running leap puts, nothing more.
I feel like JPM just got bad news.
Oh, they got dividends January 5th. And they distribution right now?
Interesting. I haven't looked at the chart. I'm just...
Look at that SR flip. Big SR flip. Dividends and earnings are around the corner.
Whoops. I just tried to sell more contracts than I had. It doesn't work. Give me my money.
Well, that daily on PFU looks deadly.
I haven't looked at it. Is it good?
Yeah, you have a huge sell candle and just We got some increasing volume, but the wicks overall decreasing volume. Looks like it's distribution.
I need to send this.
Wow, that sell candle is more than. It's the same as the candle all the way back in 2021 in December. January 4th, 2022.
Dude, SPY's pumping. We should reject it 38.50. I'd be stoked if they just send PFE to the November value rate high. Like 1.5 points, boys. Let's go.
Die.
I want to see what happened with Chewy.
Forgot about that stock.
Oh, it did it. Crazy. Yesterday I said, not here, but where is it? We retested the previous week value area low, and I said it was going to 37.70, possibly here, but definitely here. And it happened. That's cool.
Yeah, if you take that whole range, that's actually the POC at 35, 37. POC for that whole entire range.
All right. I think I need to call it a day here, guys. I'm just like feeling worse and worse and worse and worse by the minute.
Yeah, you ain't gonna miss anything.
No, I know. It's been really fun hanging out though, everybody. And once again, Happy New Year, everyone. And we'll see you Monday.
Cheers, brother. Enjoy your night.
Take care, guys. Bye.